Hi everyone, welcome to my latest Lightroom tutorial. Today we will learn to make the preset you can see on the screen. Here are some before and after pictures. Lightroom presets are a great place to start when editing your photo. Cultivate an aesthetic and make your feed look incredible, or apply something unique to make your image really stand out. You can download this preset for free by finding the password in this video. Listen carefully for this sound. The number that follows is part of the password. The sound will play twice during the tutorial, leaving you with a 4-digit password. Full details can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the light section. Contrast +20. Shadows +20. Whites +15. Blacks -5. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Open the color section. Temp +20. Vibrance +25. Saturation -20. Open color mix. Red, hue +15. Orange, hue -10. Yellow, hue -50. Green, hue -80. Aqua, hue +20. Saturation -100. Blue, hue +5. Saturation -10. Purple, hue +5. Saturation -100. Magenta, saturation -100. Texture +20. Open Optics and tick Remove CA. And we're finished. Now it's time to save your preset so you can use it again in the future. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.